today I'm going to Canada. So ayan, nasa airport na ako guys. Ayan yung mga pamangkin ko, nagbababay sa akin. Ayan, they dropped me off from the airport. Ayan. They're so happy and waving at me guys. Ayan, sa airport na ako, nakaupo, waiting for my flight, going to Manila. Ayan, papasok na kami guys. Boarding na namin. Kaya naghihintay ako guys. Boarding. Nasa group C ako, so medyo ako yung pinakalaw. Kami pala. Kasi going to the airlines now. Ito Manila. Nandito na ako sa loob ng eroplano. Ayan, and then makikita niyo yung view. So ayan guys, naghihintay na ako ng aking luggage. Ang cute niyan guys, manga from Guimaras. And then, dito na ako sa Manila. Naghihintay na lang ng luggage. And then, ta-transfer ako from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1 sa NAIA for my flight going to Japan. And then, from Japan, I'm going fly to Canada, Ontario, Toronto. So, yan guys. Yan, natuwa lang ako dun sa mga flag. Kaya, kinuhanan ko ng video. Ayan, Philippines, guys. Labas ng NAIA sa Manila. Ayan, papasok na ako guys sa gate. Sa gate ko, doon ako maghihintay guys ng aking flight going to Japan. So ayan guys, yung eroplano na sasakyan ko, Philippine Airlines going to Japan. Ang laki niyan guys. So ayan, papasok na kami sa eroplano. Ayan, so after few hours guys, nasa Japan na ako guys. So lilipat na naman ako ng terminal. So sumakay ako ng bus, yung airport bus from Terminal 1 to Terminal 2. Going to Canada dito sa Narita Airport. So ayan guys, yung view ng Narita Airport from Terminal 1 to Terminal 2. Ayan guys, nag-e-enjoy ako dyan sa train. Kita nyo guys naman. Kahit napagod sa biyahe, sige lang guys. Ganyan talaga pag nagbabakasyon, biyahe is pagod. Yeah, but I enjoyed it. So ayan guys, nasa loob na ako ng Terminal 2 Airport. Papunta na ako niya ng gate ko guys. Ayan, ayan yung ano nila, yung tax duty free. So na-miss ko lang pero pangatlong beses ko na yan guys nang punta dyan sa loob ng Japan Airport dahil nung pauwi ako and then nag-tour ako ulit ng Japan and then ayan ulit. Kakamiss ang Japan. Masarap mag-ikot-ikot dyan guys. Ang dami mong mabibili. Ang dami mabibili guys pero ako hindi na ako nag-shopping yan kasi nakapag-shopping na ako at saka wala na ako mapaglagyan kung magsha-shopping man ako at saka wala nang budget guys. Kaya ikot-ikot na ako, nag-window shopping. In-enjoy ko lang yung sarili ko sa kakatingin dyan habang naghihintay ako ng boarding time namin. Ayan, masarap dyan guys mag-enjoy. Ayan na, boarding na namin. Ayan yung gate guys, gate 43. So ayan yung aeroplano na sinakyan ko guys. Tapos andito na ako sa Canada. Toronto, just landed. Back to reality. We're back to Canada. Guys, I'm back to Canada. It means back to reality with this guy. So yeah, we're waiting for our ride. Start. So, ayan guys, dumaan muna kami sa grocery shopping bago kami umuwi ng bahay kasi madadaanan namin yung Chinese supermarket. So, ayan, nag-ikot-ikot ako dyan. Tapos, ayan nga, nakita ko yung kimchi. Kumuha kami dyan guys ng isang kimchi. And then, ayan, ang daming klaseng kimchi. Pero, kinukwento ko sa asawa ko na umili ako ng ganyan sa Japan. Inuwi ko sa Iloilo guys. So, ayan, kinakain siguro ng mga pamangkin ko doon at saka ng nanay ko. So, ayan guys, kimchi. Bumili kami ng isa dyan. 10.99 Canadian dollar dito. Plus, of course, plus tax. So, medyo mahal-mahal din. Pero, ganun talaga. Pag gusto mong kumain, hindi, wag mong tignan yung presyo. So, ayan guys, kimchi. Ang dami ka mapagpilian guys. So, tinry lang namin dyan yung isa na, hanggang ngayon meron pa nga rin sa ref eh. So, tapos bumili din kami guys ng lutong ulam para hindi na kami magluto ng at least 2 days kasi jet lag ako guys. Ayan, yung binili namin.
This is the t-shirt.
Yung anak ko guys, nagsusukat ng damit na dinala ko sa kanya. Pinamili ko sa kanyang pasalubong. So, panoorin nyo siya guys.
Okay.
Siya na
This is the t-shirt. Sorry, my hair is a mess. Don't mind it. I feel like this would be like good like sleeping clothes. It's not really for like going out. Like, what do you guys think? No, so. I like the bottom though. The bottom. Okay. It's just this. This is like so like tight. Okay. No. Here's the other one. Like it's so like you see, like if it was like cut, like without this, you see, like you think? I really like this. Yeah, that's nice.
You try it on because this is the one you might wear in the wedding.
Oh,
Yeah, try it on.
we're recording.
You're recording and then this one, the other one green.
This one loose
Yeah.
stuff?
You put perfume?
No, it's not. It's like the
It's
we,
not
we
so
need
bad.
we need to it's the hair. Huh? It's the loose one. Yes. Yeah. So my friend just said put it in the water and
No.
mix it like that.
So tell me if which one I should do, black or white. Text below what one I should keep, but I'm probably gonna go with the white. Oh, I think this, I like this. This is like haichu.
I don't know, chocolate.
This is not a chocolate.
It's a matcha flavor chocolate, I guess.
Ew, never mind. I don't like matcha. Anyway,
Green is matcha, yeah.
what do I say? What? Hi guys, we're gonna be we're gonna be eating some food from Japan, chocolates. These look pretty good, but I feel like I won't like them.
What's that?
But it's
Read
like, it says dollars, and then in Japan, I'm thinking strawberry because there's strawberries in there. But we're gonna try it. Good thing it's in like a little package, so it's not like I can reuse. There you go. We'll try it. Then we'll just put it in the fridge if we don't want it. You know what I mean? You see that? It smells good. Actually, it's like candy. Not even chocolate. It's like that.
It is a chocolate with strawberry filling on it.
Anyway,
That was really good.
this is vanilla white. We're not
That's really
trying
good.
that one though because I don't like vanilla.
It's really good. I like that.
Ooh, look at this. This is nuts, peanuts. So if you're allergic to peanuts, obviously don't eat it. But we're gonna try it. Good thing it's in a Ziploc, so if you don't want more than one, then just zip it up. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It smells very peanut. Smell that. Mmm. It tastes good. So all the things I open, I'll just put it to the side.
So this is the same. So you don't need to open it, okay?
Okay. Let me just put it to the side. We already know what Kit Kat tastes like, but we'll just show you. This is the bag.
It's a milk tea flavor.
So that's the Kit Kat from Japan. Also this one. And then the bag. This is coffee flavor. And then this one,
Matcha flavor.
matcha flavor. And this is the bag, what it looks like more. This is
Mix of matcha and chocolate.
matcha or coffee.
No, matcha and chocolate.
Well, it says like, this is like a coffee brand though.
Nestle. It's the name. Milk coffee.
And then this looks like the one from Sweden, whatever.
No, that is also from Japan.
No, but like, you know that chocolate we got from
From Switzerland?
Switzerland? It kind of has that same
Blend.
packaging.
Yeah. I'll try it. You don't want to try it?
No, I'm
Okay.
kind of full.
It's fine.
But same one again. This is,
No,
I can't read.
No, that is like a sauce when you're like a steak, something like that.
And this is
Wasabi.
wasabi.
For
If you like sushi, this is good, but I don't like it with sushi. Oh, and then this little package.
Yeah, try it. That is really good.
Okay, we'll try it. You know that show with the 3 bears? You guys look at it if you grew up. Oh, it's one of those. So in the Philippines, for like snacks, we'll have this. It's like marshmallow inside.
Oh, there's some marshmallow inside. I didn't try that.
So good. It's like with coffee. You like it with coffee if you're in the Philippines.
Or tea.
It's okay. And then this is the cheese version.
Now a chocolate, a white version. Yes, yeah. Milk
Of the.
chocolate one.
of
That
this.
yeah.
Okay, we'll put it to the side. And then, obviously, we already did this. Oh, there's that version as well.
It's the same. Yes, yeah.
And this is
Strawberry version.
strawberry. And yeah, I think that's all we have. So, bye guys.
Okay. Bye.